Hey beautifuls! Welcome back to my channel today. What better of a time to kick summer off than with my Beachly subscription box? And you guys, Beachly had a little bit of a makeover. So this box came in, which my box, it's not just like a random box, but this is my summer 2024 box and it has a little bit of a makeover to it. It's bigger. I also love the new leaves. And if you notice, they even changed the color a little bit. It's more of like a blue-green now instead of like a true blue, but it's very cute. I just was surprised when I saw this. I was like, oh, look at that. We actually have a brand new box here. So I'm excited because this box is actually taller, which means we could get bigger items going forward. So I was like, oh, that's a good sign. If you're interested in this subscription box, I will be posting a link down below along with a discount code to save you guys some money. I also have a code down there that will get you a free bonus bundle of products. They are always a mystery, but they will be past products that were featured in the Beachly box before. You cannot use both coupon codes in one transaction, but you can choose what works for you. So you can either save some money off of your first box, or like I said, you can do the bonus bundle and they will ship you some extra goodies with your first box. Now, personally, I thought the options for summer were really good. Now, if you guys decide to sign up for this box, it is currently shipping right now, so you can receive the summer box. I'm gonna obviously show you guys what I chose for my box, but I'm also gonna post up photos on this video. That way you can see what the other customization options are for Beachly this summer, but you can customize your entire box, which I love. Additionally, if there's any clothing items that you go with, you get to choose all of your sizing. Shoes, they'll let you choose your sizing on that as well. So I like that they give you options. In category 1, you have the choice between a waterproof speaker or you can go with a beach dress. So I decided to go with the speaker just because it looked really fun. I love the colors and the print on here. So this is called the Drop. And like I said, it is a waterproof speaker. It also will allow you to charge it up so that way you can take it with you on the go and you can recharge the battery whenever you need to. Inside of the box, they do send you the cable to recharge this, but the speaker itself, you guys, is so stinking cute. I feel like you could use this anywhere this summer. You don't have to just be going to the beach. You could go to the pool. You could have it outside in the backyard if you wanted to, have a backyard picnic. I mean, seriously, this will work everywhere. And I love the fact that it's so summery. Now on top, you're gonna have all of your buttons as well, so that way you can turn it on, you can skip, you can reverse. I mean, whatever you need to do for your music, this will allow you to do that. It also will have a silicone strap here, so if you want to secure it to anything, hang it up, you can. On the back, there is a silicone panel that you'll need to open up in order to charge this, but make sure you shut this all the way. That way you're not getting any water in there when you do have this out around water. And man, is it tight or what? So this is where you will plug it in at, and then you're just gonna put this right back in there to make it completely waterproof. But just be careful with that. If any water does get in there, it would ruin your speaker, so just be careful. But I thought this was just adorable. I mean, the colors, the print, I loved all of it. Now, this product, if you were gonna buy it, retails for $80 on their website. The other option was the Blue Tropics midi dress. Now this dress was $138 if you were going to purchase it. The company made the pattern specifically for the Beachly box, so you cannot find this exact dress on their website because it is exclusive to Beachly. However, the sizes available on this are from extra small up to 2XL. Next up for category 2, you have the option of going with a water resistant bag, or you could go with a long sleeve t-shirt. Now I decided to go with the long sleeve t-shirt for my box. So this is it here. And it says Key West across the front of it. They also have another one that's the exact same color, it's same print and font, but instead of saying Key West, it says Waikiki on it. So that's the only difference, is the actual word, but other than that, they're the exact same long sleeve tee. So this one, I will say, is very lightweight. These are perfect if you've got somewhat of a cooler day. The idea is if you were at the beach and it's a little bit breezy, it's only only 70 degrees out. Usually you might want some flip-flops and shorts and a long sleeved tee to go with it. This is not thick like a winter tee would be. It's a very thin, lightweight long sleeve. Now it does cinch in here at the wrist, and I always feel like Beachly's clothes run a little big in my opinion. So I always size down one just so that I have more of a snug fit. But if you like a more comfortable, loose, flowy feel, you might want to stick with your true to size option. But I definitely would not size up with this company at all, otherwise you might be swimming in it. So this long sleeve tee retails for $44. It is created by Beachly in-house. They state that they have 2 locations to pick from, which were all chosen by their members. So they had several different locations available, but these were the top 2 that members voted on. And it says that no matter which one you're getting, you can't go wrong with these. They're cool, they're laid back, and they're very wearable. Like I said, the other option instead of the long sleeve tee is the Serenade water resistant bag. This is a $50 bag created by B Swim, and they said this is great for the beach because it will hold all of your belongings, but it's also going to help protect it from any water as well. They said this one is going to have a limited edition print on it. So again, this print was created exclusively for Beachly members. Now, category 3 actually has 3 different options available. So I'm going to show you guys the one that I went with. This is from Vagabond Goods, and it's the Monstera ceramic jewelry set. Now, Beachly is labeling these as coasters, but I really don't think they're designed for drinks. So I do think jewelry set is more applicable than the word coaster. I almost feel like that's a bit confusing, but that's just my opinion on it. So this box is a set of 3, and it retails for $50 if you are going to purchase it. And then inside, you're going to see these 3 Monstera plates. The idea is to hold jewelry items or like trinket items. So the first Monstera that we have is green, and it's a little bit smaller. But do you see how cute this is? And it's all ceramic, like I said, and it's just adorable. You've got the gold accent all around it. But see how this definitely looks like a trinket tray or a jewelry tray and not a coaster? So when I saw that online, I was like, I think that's a little confusing, but I'm trying to clear that up just so you guys know. The next one is a little bit larger, and it is pink, but it still has the same gold accents to it. These are so cute, you guys. Like, I just can't. Oh my gosh, they're adorable. And then the last tray in here is larger again, and it is a white Monstera leaf. So it will look like this. So they all 3 nestle into one another. So for storage purposes, it's great. They do put a divider in this styrofoam here just so that they're protected. But I like if you want to put these away or just have them out for the summertime, you can store them all into each other. So these are the 3 put together. I gotta tell you guys, they are so much cuter in person than they show online. Like, the photos don't do them justice, because when I looked at the photos, I didn't notice the gold trim on these at all. It just looked like solid colors. And I also didn't notice all the detail work with the lines on the leaves. So I feel like these are better quality than what the photos even show. Now, the other 2 options in this category will be 1, a stack of rings. These 3 rings are called the Celestial Ring Set. They're made by And Every. It's a $68 set, and it's all made of 100% recycled brass. The other option is a coastal tumbler. This is a 26-ounce tumbler by Pirani, and it is $35 for this tumbler. It does state that this is triple insulation for it. It will keep drinks hot up to 6 hours and cold drinks up to 12 hours. Plus, it helps to eliminate any plastic waste or water bottles because you are using this tumbler instead. It is a very cute print. I do like the print on the tumbler itself, but honestly, I do not regret my choice at all. These Monstera trinket trays are so cute. And like I said, they're better than what I was expecting. So it's honestly the best item in that category, I feel. Next up in category 4, there are 2 different options available. However, this one was a no-brainer for me. I decided to go with the My Tagalongs bag. Now, this is a cosmetic bag or toiletry bag that you can take with you on the go. My Tagalongs is a really great brand that creates lots of different bags, and they partnered up with Beachly to offer 5 different designs exclusively for their box. Now, you're not able to choose the design that you want for your bag. However, if you select it as your option, they'll just surprise you with one of the prints. So this is the print that I have here, which I think are gorgeous because you've got these amazing tiger lilies on here. The print itself carries throughout the entire bag. And then, like I said, this is from the My Tagalong company. The bags are just made so incredibly well for traveling purposes, and they make them extra thick. Like, they're very plushy on all of the sides, which is nice because if you're putting in makeup items in here, it will help to not break or damage any of those products. So like palettes or your compacts or anything like that, I always put in a My Tagalong bag just because they're extra protected. It's almost like bubble wrap for your beauty products. It's not actually bubble wrap, but you know what I mean? It just really keeps it safe. So this does have the same matching zipper on here as well, and then inside it will be the same color. I do love that they even gave us purple tissue paper to match. It's so cute. The other option, if you did not want the cosmetic bag, is to go with a bamboo serving set by Core Bamboo. This is a 3-piece set that features a spatula, a pair of tongs, and also the bamboo cutting board. In category number 5, there are 2 options available. The first option will be some sunscreen from Coola. This is one of my favorite brands for sunscreen. They have a facial mist that I take with me everywhere, you guys. I highly recommend it. I don't work for Coola or anything, but I just love their sunscreen products, and that mist is so good. But anyways, this is the Mineral Body Sunscreen. It is in their tropical coconut scent, SPF 30. It is mostly organic ingredients in here, which is one of the reasons why it's appealing to people. But this also gives a sheer finish, so it is not going to leave a white residue behind on your skin. It's dermatologist tested as well, so it's safe for sensitive skin. It is vegan, gluten-free, reef-safe, cruelty-free, and it will last up to 80 minutes if you are in the water. So this will retail for $25 on the Coola website, and it says that this is a sheer application that's lightweight with a wearable finish. Additionally, the other item in this category is a set of hair clips. These hair clips look like seashells and they are super cute. I debated about going with them, but I just don't put my hair up very often. And I was like, I'll always use sunscreen. So for me, it was just more, I'll use this more than the hair clips, but they are super cute. So these hair clips retail for $24. It is a set of 3 clips. And last up is category 6. Now, there are 3 different items available in this category. The item that I went with is a bracelet from Pure Vita. This company is very beach inspired and very tropical, so all of their designs are going to be meant for the water. So you can wear these in the water, they're gonna last up, they're gonna look great, but they're also very lightweight and adjustable. They don't usually use a lot of mixed metals because typically the metals will get hot in the sun. So they tend to use a lot of braids or cords or twine or whatever it may be. That way it's not getting hot and burning your skin. And then, like I said, they're adjustable, so you can tighten these or loosen them up because sometimes, you know, you're out in the sun or water, it may get a little tight. You can loosen it up as you need to. But this will be the accent piece here that looks like the waves. Very cute, but definitely exactly what this brand represents. A lot of their jewelry looks very similar because it's the same materials and it's very minimalist and it's very tropical inspired. So I do think they're super cute, but they tend to all look alike is the only thing. The other 2 options that we had in this category were very interesting. So the first one that we had was the Coastal Measuring Spoons. This is a set of measuring spoons that retail for $15. They look like, I can't quite tell exactly, but I'm pretty sure the one is made of bamboo and the other ones might be made with like a plastic of some sort. So I kind of wish they were all bamboo and not only plastic, but anyways, I thought that was kind of a weird combo. The additional option in category 6 is the Body Glow Wipes. These are $15 wipes, and it says that they are actually packed with coffee and collagen in them. So it will stimulate, lift, brighten, and firm dull skin. So the idea was to use these wipes in the morning to get ready for the day, brighten your skin, and then be ready to go. I just thought, I don't know if I would really use that. You know what I mean? To wake up and rub a wipe on me just to get a little bit brighter. Plus you're throwing that away, and I'm like, I already use enough wipes as it is. I don't know if I should do any more. So for me, they just weren't very practical options, so that's why I went with the bracelet. But you do have a couple of options to choose from in this category. So those are all 6 items inside of my summer box. And then, like I said, you get to customize all 6 categories when you sign up to purchase. Additionally, if you are a new member, you will be offered more choices in your categories than what I even showed you guys here today. That is because they have past inventory from previous boxes. So they make those available to new members that are signing up for the first time, but they're not available to existing members. So existing members are not going to receive repeat products or anything like that. But like I said, if you sign up as a new member, you'll get not only all of these options, but you'll actually get some other ones available too. But I thought this was a really great box. I love the t-shirt. I'm so excited for my tag-alongs bag because I know that brand. Same thing with the Kula sunscreen. Know that brand, love it. So very pleased with that. The speaker is adorable. I mean, how cute is that, you guys? Like, I just love that. And then the bracelet, of course, is just another fun accessory. I will always take accessories. I mean, you guys, I have accessories on all the time. So this box was perfect for me this summer. So until next time, beautifuls, have a great rest of your day. And I will see you all in my next unboxing video. Bye.